Yes, hi, it's me again, with a shorty this time. I don't know if any of you know, but I am, besides being on YouTube, also a convention artist. I sell prints, charms, stickers, the good stuff. So a convention is coming up this weekend and they are hosting, like every year, a charity where people can auction off things. Every artist has to donate one thing, so I decided to create a bidding war to get the charity more money. So that's what I'm doing here. And if you're one of the convention goers, hi, this is for you. And before jumping in, please like and subscribe. It helps a lot to tell YouTube that you like my content and it suggests it more to people. So anyway, you saw me start on a blanket. Wait. First, I'm going to tell you and all my new viewers what doll I'm customizing. This is a little SpongeBob figure. Yeah, that's it. I usually source my canvases on second-hand markets that are either broken or dirty, basically in a condition most people wouldn't buy them anymore, even second-hand. But I taught myself how to fix those extreme cases and make them beautiful again. And also turn them into an art piece, because that's what you get. A completely custom-made, one-of-a-kind art piece that the artist sunk hours, weeks or even months of work into it. That's what I do. For those who don't know, I remove the factory face-up with acetone or nitro and then rinse it with water. But since the surface is not ready to be painted yet, I have to spray it down with a sealant to give it a paper-like structure. And then I can paint on it. For painting, I use a wide variety of watercolor pencils, artist pastels and acrylic paint. I go wild with them. This cat particularly inspired me to go deep inside me and release the secret 70s SHOUJO that I have kept locked up in a dungeon all these years. I didn't settle on one particular illustration as inspiration and more or less compiled various art pieces together. And yes, I also give my animals eyebrows, because why wouldn't you? After I'm finished with one layer, I spray it down with my sealant and restart again by repainting the same things again and again and again and again and again until I'm happy with how saturated the color is. With acrylic paint, I draw the eye shines because a white watercolor pencil just wouldn't be able to cover all of this. Like, just throw in as many catch lights as possible, the shoujo gods are demanding it. No joke, this cat is probably my favorite LPS makeover that I have ever done. I almost don't want to give it away. Almost. I did a really good job this time. I'm proud of myself. And to make everything even more shoujo, I throw on a good amount of gloss. And then I had the great idea, hey, why not make even more things that would make me lose sleep? So I draw the cat. I haven't decided yet if I want to donate them as a set or as 2 different entries. If you are from the convention and watching this, you probably already know it. You are basically part of a secret club, you know? Because you know what I did in the future. Applause for you still watching, because most click off once I start painting. Just like in real life. Oh yes, and I got this comment on my last video, which was something so particular, I had to do it, so here you go. Excuse me, sir, can you direct me to the naval base in Alameda? It's where they keep their nuclear vessels. Nuclear vessels. It's really funny that I'm pronouncing it the exact same way as Chekhov. Like, how would you even remember that? It's really funny. I hope this is what you wanted. So continuing drawing. I sketch up the cat sitting on a heart. I couldn't really think of anything else. I usually don't draw ultra cutesy things or big eyes or bright colors. I might have been stuck in the 2000s post-apocalyptic cyber phase. Can we make that a thing again? Like, can we populate TikTok with Desert Warrior Survivor aesthetic? I start. Enough rambling. More cat drawing. As always, there will be a full version of this drawing on my second channel. I hope it's already up when this video goes live. If not, geez, am I unreliable. Anyway, here's how the cat turned out. I really love how I drew the eyes this time. I really do. I hope though someone buys it, and I'm like always scared that I put all this work into it and then it just sits there and no one wants it. Not the first time this happened to me, but I really hope someone buys it and really loves it and gives it a good home. Anyway, that's all for this time. Like and subscribe and see you next time. Ciao ciao!